A for apple. A for apple.
Hi, I'm the letter B. B is for baby. That's right. Yay!
This is the letter C.
C is for cat.
See the cat?
Meow. D is for dog. Woof! Let's dig for D. D is for dog.
Letter E for elephant. E is for elephant. Elephants are big and strong.
F for fish. See the fish swim? F fish, F.
G is for girl. G for girl. Girl starts with G.
H is for horse. H, horse.
I is for ice cream. Look at this yummy scoop.
Yay for ice cream.
J for jellyfish.
Jellyfish swim in the deep blue sea. Jellyfish start with the letter J.
This is the letter K. K for koala. Let's trace it. K says ka. Great job.
L is for lion.
Roar! I'm a lion. M for monkey. M for me. Turn letter M with glee.
Letter N for nest.
I is for insect, tiny
N,
and small.
N, nest.
J is for jump, we jump.
O is for owl. Hoot hoot. See the big O? Watch it bounce. Now an owl appears inside.
When we
Letter P for parrot. P is for parrot. See the parrot flap its wings?
Q is for queen.
This is the letter Q.
Q for queen.
And this is a queen.
Q for queen.
Letter R for rabbit. Rabbits have long ears and hop around.
R is for rabbit.
The letter S is for ship. See the ship sail on the sea.
Let's make a T for tiger.
shining so bright.
T is for tiger.
Slow and just right.
This is the letter U. U is for umbrella. U says
Letter V for van. V for van. V for van.
Letter W for watermelon. Watermelon starts with W.
X is for xylophone. Let's sing the alphabet song. A, B, C, D, E, F, G.
Y is for yak.
Yak starts with letter Y.
Y for yak.
Dad for zebra.